Oh my, today is what, May 5th, 2026, and I choose them, my loving people across the world. First, sending good energy to you and your family, whosoever will be watching this video here. I'm cooking up some natural Jamaican staple food. See, you ever hear about salt mackerel? I don't know if you ever had salted mackerel. It's a form of fish, you know. See, some, I think 7 day people not really eat them type of fish, the mackerel. Anyway, I'm cooking banana, some good old dumplings, you know, and corn reap from my farm. Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Look at how it look today. Had no rain on the 5th of May. First, I must thank all of the new people who have subscribed to my channel. Welcome to my rural village lifestyle kitchen from rural Jamaica. See, big up and more bless up, man. People from America, Jamaica, from Canada, Europe, Central and South America, the Caribbean, Africa, Asia, and the entire world. This is Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, my fans. Yes, I love all of the positive people who like to try. You know, do you like to cook natural food from the earth, from the farm? Well, you can take a look now inside of the pot. This is not my way of living in Jamaica. Big up all of my special ladies, friends, them, and my good brothers, them across the world. Remember, we must try, see if we can live better, you know? Because the live it in a really right thing, no, but we have to just pray in this time that the good Lord will lead us into a better life, you know, and more better livity. Oh my. Anyone listening and watching, my fans, if you can change your life and see if we can live a little better, you know. This is my little small kitchen and my little pot. Cook a lot of food in it. Who like dumpling? Let me know if you like dumplings. I know one lady from Australia, Barbara. She love dumplings. Oh, see it there? Salt mackerel, but me giving thanks. And I season up the water with scallion and pepper. So if I want, I can drink a little of that pot water. They would say pot soup. Big up yourself, Tetia. You know about this type of liberty. Lenora, big up. KC, big up. Do you like corn also? This is from my farm, the corn. The pot smell good. Trust me, my fans. It smell real good. The pot soup would turn on your mouth. See, in your mouth would turn on with the pot soup. You would definitely want to have a taste of the pot water or the pot soup to burp when you drink that. You belch in Jamaica, they would say. My fans, if you want longer videos, please let me know in the comment, you know, if I'm making the videos them too short or what, you know. Do not know if you have the patience to watch longer videos. Seems as if people like to watch short videos like the reels and so forth, but if you want my videos to be longer, I'd appreciate if you could leave it in the comment section, you know. Well, I'm gonna fry up now like using natural coconut oil and fry up the salt mackerel with my natural tomatoes and my onions and, you know, the scotch bonnet pepper. And then I can just relax and add some real Jamaican food. I know some people in the diaspora don't have any good fresh banana for a good while, you know. And like the good breadfruit and them good dumpling Jamaican style. So big up Again, me say, I don't know, have a great evening or night or morning, wherever you might be watching from. Sending love, love, and much love from Kojak. Big up, bless up.